Hi, it's John Kelly. In this module, we are going to discuss Section 810, Reporting on Summary Financial Statements. And as always, we want to be efficient and effective, follow professional standards, and document what we have done properly. Now, the application of this section: when can we audit summarized financial statements? And the answer is we have to have done audited financial statements with all the statements and all the notes required by the framework, IFRS, for instance, and the client now wants a briefer document to distribute, given that financial statements now prepared in accordance with most accounting frameworks are awfully long, lots of statements, and even more pages of notes. Now, the criteria for acceptance are probably the most important place to look, because there are a number of things that we have to do and have to have agreed with management before we can accept the engagement. And the first thing, I've already said that, we have to have audited the financial statements, and then we have to have applied Section 810 to the summary financial statements. Second thing, and this is kind of the trick, because there are no criteria, there are no generally accepted criteria for summarizing financial statements, so somehow or other, and there's guidance in A3 to A7, we are going to have to determine that the criteria used to summarize the financial statements are acceptable. And then management has to do two things. Management has to agree to give anyone who asks a complete set of financial statements on request, and they have to agree to include our report with the summarized financial statements. Procedures are pretty simple. There's a list, and in short, you check that the summarization is appropriate. And accordingly, very important to document that you followed all of the procedures specified and any others that you thought were necessary in the circumstances. The opinion, the examples in the appendices, and you will have to tailor it, and there are a bunch of paragraphs that describe how the opinion will look like, 9 through 28. So again, you cannot photocopy the example in the appendix. You're going to have to take them all figuratively and not literally, and you're going to have to tailor them and follow the specific requirements of paragraphs 9 through 28. So, thanks for listening.